Yoi! Today we're going to test this fully 3D printed BB shooter toy gun, and I 3D printed the bullets as well. And our job is to see if its shots can bring down the 3D printing supports that I have here and see how good it shoots. But first, we have to assemble it. If you don't want to see that part, you can always skip ahead. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we're ready. Let's see if we can bring the supports down. Okay, we got one. Whoopa! Out of ammo, let's reload. Well, we did it. Those weren't very strong shots, but it did the job. The supports were down. I feel like the last one was a lucky shot, but it worked. Those aren't very strong, but they are good enough to play with. And yeah, if you like this tryout video, subscribe for the next one, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.